I'm Cindy Rothstein, and I live in Plainview, New York. And I'm here to tell you about Healthy Basement, whom I love. I love the people. They were there when I needed them. I had multiple floods in the basement in September of last year because there was so much rain. The ground could not absorb it all. And I was using towels. I can tell you 27 towels each time there was a flood. And I thought it was time not to have this kind of problem. I heard about healthy basements from someone who actually hadn't used them. It happened to be my husband's driver who would take him to New York every day. And I don't know how he heard of them. Later on, I did see many advertisements for a healthy basement, and I'm so thrilled that I use them. What I love about Healthy Basement are the people with whom they're associated. All the people who work for them, the salesman who came to the house first. They are all wonderful, lovely people, accommodating. They take care of your concerns, and they do it beautifully. They do it without any hassle. Anything I've asked of them, they have accomplished. They had a lot of furniture to move because this was a finished basement. They had cabinets that had granite on top of them, and they had to remove the granite without breaking it, and that was not easy. They had to remove the cabinet so they could put in all new flooring. And they had to do the same thing in the bathroom in the basement. They had to remove the vanity. They, of course, had to remove all the floor, the original floor, and put in a new floor. They did everything absolutely wonderfully. The people could not have been more accommodating and sweet. They were a pleasure to work with. Every different department was wonderful. There was some electrical work that needed to be done, and they had a wonderful electrician. Plumbing work needed to be done, although that was with my plumber. In any case, it was something I was dreading, but it turned out to be a wonderful experience, and I am very, very happy with them.